Used to be in the Hyundai business, so we built the car for that. It weighs about the same as a stock Tiburon because we've taken a lot of stuff out of it, and then of course we've added in an engine. They're identical. They're both Hyundai 2.0 liter Tiburon engines. They're both turbocharged. It's a front powertrain out of another Hyundai in the back. So two powertrains identical. 600 horsepower, all-wheel drive.
Their runs, they didn't have to tune the car on the dyno. The front engine is making approximately 309 horsepower. The rear end is making about 317 for a combination of about 630 horsepower in a Hyundai Tiburon. In fact, they only made one of their available 3 runs and were happy with it and drove back off and they were done.
Oh Lord, oh good Lord. What are the turbos you're running off this thing? Honey, Johnny. This is a fast car.
That Hyundai's awesome. That's cool on street tires. That's badass.
The thing was scooting. He's still spinning tires about 300-400 feet out.
Well, man, the thing ran at 10.9. More power to him.
He was hard. He was making some power. This thing was flying. It's gonna be hard to beat him.
10 seconds, you can't argue that. That's pretty good.
What a way to go.